Are you feeling overwhelmed, stressed, or emotionally drained? Life's challenges can sometimes feel insurmountable. But what if I told you there's a way to navigate these storms more effectively? Today, we'll explore how to develop healthy coping mechanisms. These skills are crucial for maintaining mental well-being and leading a balanced life. By the end of this video, you'll have practical tools to handle stress and adversity. So, let's dive in and discover how you can enhance your resilience through healthy coping strategies. Key concepts. Coping mechanisms are strategies we use to manage stress and difficult emotions. Healthy coping mechanisms are those that improve our mental and physical well-being. They help us navigate life's challenges without causing additional harm. On the other hand, unhealthy coping mechanisms can provide temporary relief, but often lead to more significant problems in the long run. For example, turning to alcohol or overeating might temporarily alleviate stress, but can lead to health issues and dependency. Healthy coping includes activities and habits that support your mental health, such as exercise, meditation, and social connections. A critical concept in developing healthy coping mechanisms is self-awareness. Understanding your stressor and emotional triggers is the first step in managing them effectively. For instance, if you know that deadlines at work cause you anxiety, you can plan ahead to manage your workload better. Another essential concept is emotional regulation. This involves recognizing, understanding, and managing your emotions in healthy ways. Instead of suppressing or ignoring your feelings, you acknowledge them and find constructive ways to deal with them. Consider the example of dealing with anger. Rather than lashing out, a healthy coping mechanism might involve taking a walk, practicing deep breathing, or talking it out with a friend. Stress and emotional challenges can affect us deeply, both emotionally and practically. You might feel stuck, overwhelmed, or unable to cope with daily tasks. These feelings can impact your work, relationships, and overall quality of life. Imagine a scenario where you're constantly stressed about work deadlines. This stress might lead to sleepless nights, irritability, and a decline in your productivity. Unhealthy coping mechanisms like procrastination or excessive caffeine consumption might seem helpful but can worsen the situation. Healthy coping mechanisms can transform how you handle stress and adversity. By developing these skills, you can improve your emotional resilience, making it easier to face challenges head-on. For instance, instead of feeling overwhelmed by a large project, breaking it into smaller, manageable tasks can make it feel less daunting and more achievable. Practical tips and actionable advice. Now, let's look at some practical tips and actionable advice to develop healthy coping mechanisms. First, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness involves staying present and fully engaging with the current moment. This can help you manage stress by focusing on what you can control right now. Try setting aside a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness or meditation. Next, develop a regular exercise routine. Physical activity is a proven way to reduce stress and improve mental health. Whether it's a daily walk, yoga, or hitting the gym, find an activity you enjoy and stick with it. Healthy eating also plays a crucial role. Eating a balanced diet can help stabilize your mood and energy levels. Avoid excessive sugar and caffeine, which can lead to energy crashes and increased stress. Another practical tip is to build a strong support network. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you. Having someone to talk to can make a big difference when you're feeling stressed. Don't hesitate to reach out to friends, family, or professional counselors. Setting boundaries is also essential. Learn to say no to commitments that add unnecessary stress to your life. It's okay to prioritize your well-being over others' expectations. Practice self-care regularly. This can include activities you enjoy, such as reading, hobbies, or spending time in nature. Self-care isn't selfish. It's necessary for maintaining your mental health. Techniques and habits. Now, let's explore some techniques and habits that can help you develop healthy coping mechanisms. One effective technique is deep breathing exercises. When you're feeling stressed or anxious, take a moment to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly. This simple exercise can help calm your mind and reduce stress. Another helpful habit is journaling. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help you process and understand them better. It also provides a way to track your progress and reflect on your experiences. Practicing gratitude is another powerful technique. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. This habit can shift your focus from what's going wrong to what's going right. Engaging in creative activities can also be beneficial. Whether it's painting, writing, or playing music, creative expression can be a great outlet for stress. Establishing a regular sleep schedule is crucial. Adequate sleep is essential for your mental and physical health. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, even on weekends. Finally, practice positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. For example, instead of thinking, "I can't handle this," tell yourself, "I am capable and strong." Positive self-talk can boost your confidence and resilience. Quick actionable cheat sheet. Here's a quick actionable cheat sheet to help you develop healthy coping mechanisms. Practice mindfulness. Stay present and focused on the moment. Exercise regularly. Find an activity you enjoy and stick with it. Eat healthily. Maintain a balanced diet and avoid excessive sugar and caffeine. Build a support network. Surround yourself with supportive people. Set boundaries. Learn to say no to unnecessary commitments. Practice self-care. Engage in activities you enjoy. Deep breathing exercises. Use these to calm your mind. Journal regularly. Write down your thoughts and feelings. Practice gratitude. Focus on what you're thankful for. Engage in creative activities. Use creativity as a stress outlet. Establish a sleep schedule. Maintain consistent sleep patterns. Practice positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Summary of how to develop healthy coping mechanisms. In summary, developing healthy coping mechanisms is essential for maintaining mental well-being. By understanding key concepts like self-awareness and emotional regulation, you can better manage stress and difficult emotions. Implementing practical tips such as practicing mindfulness, exercising regularly, and building a support network can significantly enhance your resilience. Incorporating techniques like deep breathing, journaling, and positive self-talk into your daily routine can further strengthen your coping skills. Remember, it's not about avoiding stress but learning how to handle it effectively. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check the description below for more help, guidance, and support. Stay resilient, and keep thriving, no matter what challenges you face. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check the description below for more help, guidance, and support. Please subscribe and continue your journey to a better life.